My head hurts.
Oh, look at that red mark, dude. Nice.
You have a red mark circling your belly button now. That sounds weird, going suctioning, cupping on your belly.
Dude, do it on your titty.
Well, no, because we bought it.
Do it on your titty.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do it on your tit, man.
We bought it. We wouldn't be messing with it if it was. Stop farting it on your titty, man. It's not funny.
Is it cold near it or just Topher?
Your knee. Ow, dude, you fucking hurt me really bad.
Only my right side's cold.
Yeah.
Stop. Topher.
It's only
Robbie,
my right
you
side.
actually did hurt me really bad.
Only my right side.
Stop. Topher, get that pointer out of my ear. Stop. Get the. Stop.
Rub it.
No, I'm not putting it in my mouth.
I'm black.
This is probably boring you.
Those are called black balls.
I said this is probably boring.
Hey, get that thing away from me.
You want to put
He just.
That's what you said.
He just.
You
Get out.